Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got this big beast. It's a bit bigger than I am. It is a Yamaha XT1200Z, or to you and me, a Super Tenere. Absolute stonking bikes, these. You know, they're not as common. You know, it's a bit like Bear Grylls, this thing. It's not the most common thing, but it's bloody good at going on adventures. Really good. This one itself is a 2013 on a 63 plate. It's only done 8,892 miles. SW Motech panniers, Givi metal top box, also Yamaha top bag there, tank bag. Turn it on so you can see it. They've got power modes, traction control on these as well. Obviously fuel gauge. That really does help, to be honest with you. But he's a really big beast. This thing you could actually take off-road, go on adventure, and it'd love you for it. Give it a start up. Really throaty sound to the engine, but what do you expect? A 1200 Yamaha. Super reliability, being Japanese. What more do you want? You don't want to be a Bratwurst muncher, you want to be a Japanese lover. Anyway guys, all you need to do... Oh, it has. Apologies guys. It's actually had new tyres popped on by our fine selves as well. So it is ready to go. Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Bob down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.